Hey, good morning guys, Music Lover 16, and today I am at Terranea. I've been here before, but we're about to go explore a really cool side of it. It's kind of a hike, kind of not, but yeah, this should be a lot of fun. I hope you guys enjoy the vlog, and I'll see you later. Hey guys, I have no idea if you can hear me, but that was one of the coolest things that has ever happened. So this little kid came up to me and they're like, oh hey, are you a YouTuber, are you a vlogger? And I'm like, yeah, I'm a vlogger. And it was cool because this kid has like 47 subscribers. It's really cool. And yeah, this has been an interesting day so far, guys. Hey guys, what's up? So it's like super hot right now, and as you can see, we are still here and it's beautiful. Wish you guys could be here, but right now it is 1:32 and I think we're gonna go walk a little bit more and possibly go eat after that. But I hope you guys are enjoying the footage. I'll see you later. Hey guys, Music Lover 16 back again with the vlog. We're still continuing our day, and right now I am back in Redondo Beach and we're gonna look for some place to go eat. Let's see where we're gonna end up. By the way guys, does anyone recognize this area? Not there. Here. It was in some of the vlogs and it was awesome. What's up guys, Music Lover 16, and right now I'm going to be ending the vlog. It's almost 9 o'clock and I will see you on the next vlog. Bye.